How to make aquaponics with your own hands. Drawings for creating aquaponics with your own hands are very simple. The main thing here is to make the pipeline correctly. This requires a good pump, which is designed to maintain the right pressure. An equally important detail is a ball crane to block the pipe leading to the container. The aquaponist will also need fittings with external and internal threads. The holes in the container with plants should fit the fitting with an external thread, and the fitting with an internal one is designed for a filter with a mesh. Another important part of aquaponics is the siphon. In it, you need to make a hole at least 3 cm from the bottom edge of the pipe, so the water will be slowly collected into the container, and if necessary, it can be quickly drained. Also, to build the system, you will need a filter from a pipe with a diameter of about 100 mm, where you need to make several holes. This is necessary to delay large debris when water enters the container. A tap with a pump will help return water back, and a bypass pipe with a ball tap will help regulate the flow of water for a container with plants. Containers for fish and plants should be chosen carefully. A container with a volume of 100 liters is best suited for these purposes. If you cut it in half, you will get 2 containers with a height of 55 centimeters, a width of 50 centimeters and a length of 60 cm. At the bottom of the container for breeding fish, it is better to pour crushed stone or put ceramic tubes, so it will be easier for microorganisms to multiply.